Making keys forces Volkswagen. Select online key matching. Select sixth generation key instrument. Select all keys are lost. Insert the mechanical key. Turn on the ignition switch. Select yes. Select OK. The server is getting information. Please ensure that network connection and voltage are normal. The waiting time will may be quite long. Successfully obtained anti-theft information. Put the blank key into the programmer. Select Volkswagen. Generate dealer key successfully. If you need to learn multiple keys, click yes, otherwise click no. Matching completed. Enter the number of keys to learn. Select Volkswagen. Put the key to be learned close to the key induction coil, and then click OK. Learn second keys. Learning succeeded. Our keys are completed.